For years, we've been told there's only one path to success, a 4-year college degree. But times are changing. The traditional route of attending a university, racking up student loans, and hoping for a job in a competitive market is no longer the only option. Young adults are discovering a different route, the skilled trades. These professions, often overlooked, are now gaining the recognition they deserve. These jobs offer a chance to graduate debt-free with skills that are in high demand. Trade schools and apprenticeship programs provide hands-on experience, ensuring that students are job-ready from day one. That's right, no mountain of student loans. Imagine the relief of starting your career without the burden of debt. Instead, imagine paid training and a stable, well-paying career. Apprenticeships allow you to earn while you learn, providing a steady income as you gain valuable skills. That's the promise of the trades. It's a pathway to a fulfilling career where your work is valued and your skills are in demand. Many young people are realizing that college isn't the only way to achieve their dreams. They are weighing their options and finding that the trades offer a viable and attractive alternative. The trades offer a practical and rewarding alternative. Whether it's carpentry, plumbing, electrical work, or HVAC, these careers provide a sense of accomplishment and pride. It's about learning a craft, building something tangible, and taking pride in your work. Each project completed is a testament to your skill and dedication. It's about securing your future with a skill that can't be outsourced or automated. In a world where technology is rapidly changing, the trades offer stability and security. So, if you're considering your future, remember that the trades are a viable and rewarding option. They offer a path to success that is both practical and fulfilling. The rise of the trades is here, and it's time to take notice. The demand for skilled tradespeople is higher than ever. Across various industries, the need for electricians, plumbers, welders, and HVAC technicians is skyrocketing. These roles are essential to keeping our homes, businesses, and infrastructure running smoothly. Why? Baby boomers are retiring, leaving a significant gap in the workforce. As these experienced workers step down, they take with them years of knowledge and expertise, creating a void that needs to be filled by the next generation. At the same time, our country needs more skilled workers to build and maintain our infrastructure, from roads and bridges to energy systems. Construction is booming, and with it comes a surge in demand for skilled labor to support these projects. Renewable energy projects are on the rise. As we shift towards more sustainable energy sources, the need for skilled workers to install and maintain solar panels, wind turbines, and other renewable energy systems is increasing rapidly. All of this adds up to a huge opportunity for anyone willing to learn a trade. We need electricians, plumbers, welders, and HVAC technicians, you name it. These jobs offer not only stability, but also the chance to work in dynamic and evolving fields. HVAC technicians, you name it. The variety of trades available means there's something for everyone, whether you prefer working with electrical systems, plumbing, welding, or heating and cooling systems. The jobs are out there, and they're not going anywhere. In fact, the demand for skilled tradespeople is expected to grow even more in the coming years. This is a field with long-term potential and numerous opportunities for advancement. In fact, they are only going to become more important in the years to come. As our society continues to evolve and grow, the need for skilled tradespeople will remain a constant, making this an excellent career choice for those looking to make a lasting impact. Let's talk about money. Forget the stereotype of low-paying blue-collar jobs. Skilled tradespeople can earn a very comfortable living. Starting salaries for many trades are between $50,000 and $70,000 per year. And with experience and specialization, earning 6 figures or more is definitely within reach. The best part? You start earning sooner, often while you're still in training. No need to rack up years of student loan debt before you even see a paycheck. In the trades, you can start building your future and your bank account right away. Forget the 4-year degree. Trade schools and apprenticeships offer a faster, more affordable path to a rewarding career. These programs are often 2 years or less, and many offer financial aid options. You learn by doing, gaining hands-on experience under the guidance of seasoned professionals. It's a practical education that prepares you for the real world. No endless lectures or theoretical concepts. You learn the skills employers are looking for and graduate ready to work. Section 5. The satisfaction of hands-on work. Not everyone thrives in a traditional classroom setting. Some people learn best by doing, working with their hands, and, seeing tangible results. If you enjoy problem solving, working with tools, and creating something with your own two hands, then a trade might be the perfect fit. There's a real sense of accomplishment that comes from building or fixing something yourself. You see the direct impact of your work, and that can be incredibly rewarding. Section 6. Earn while you learn. Apprenticeships are a fantastic way to earn while you learn. These programs combine paid on-the-job training with classroom instruction. You work alongside experienced professionals, learning the ropes and getting paid for it. It's like getting a paycheck to go to school. Apprenticeships are a win-win. You gain valuable experience, build your resume, earn a paycheck, and avoid student loan debt. It's hard to beat that. Section 7. In-demand trades, your future awaits. In today's rapidly evolving job market, skilled trades are becoming more crucial than ever. These professions not only offer stability, but also provide a sense of accomplishment and pride in one's work. The trades offer a wide range of opportunities. Whether you're interested in working with your hands, solving complex problems, or ensuring the safety and comfort of others, there's a trade for you. Here are just a few in-demand fields. Electricians. Electricians play a critical role in our modern world. They are responsible for installing, maintaining, and repairing electrical systems in homes, businesses, and industrial settings. As our reliance on electricity grows, so does the need for skilled electricians to install and maintain electrical systems. Plumbers. Plumbers ensure that our water systems function smoothly. They handle everything from fixing leaky faucets to installing complex plumbing systems in new constructions. From fixing leaky faucets to installing complex plumbing systems, plumbers are essential for homes and businesses alike. Their expertise ensures that we have access to clean water and efficient waste removal systems. Welders are in high demand in manufacturing, construction, and other industries that rely on their skills to join metal parts. Welding is a precise and skilled trade that requires attention to detail and a steady hand. With increasing temperatures and a focus on energy efficiency, HVAC technicians are vital for keeping our buildings comfortable and climate controlled. They install, maintain, and repair heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, ensuring optimal indoor air quality and comfort. These are just a few examples. The possibilities are endless. The trades offer a variety of career paths, each with its own unique challenges and rewards. From carpentry to masonry, and from automotive repair to landscaping, there's a trade that matches your interests and skills. And with job security and growth projections on the rise, a career in the trades offers a bright future. Skilled tradespeople are always in demand, and their expertise is essential to the functioning of our society. So, if you're looking for a rewarding career with plenty of opportunities for growth and advancement, consider the trades. Your future awaits. Section 8. The trades, a path to success. The trades offer a viable and rewarding career path for those willing to put in the work. It's about learning a skill, taking pride in your craft, and building a secure future. It's about challenging yourself physically and mentally, and seeing the tangible results of your labor. It's time we recognize the value of skilled trades and encourage more young people to consider these fulfilling and lucrative careers. Section 9. Take the next step. Are you ready to explore the possibilities? Start by researching different trades that interest you. Talk to people in those fields. Look into local trade schools and apprenticeship programs. The opportunities are out there. Your future is in your hands. Build it.